All right, good morning, FreightWaves. I'm Rob Henritzy, Director of Sales Engineering here at Tai Software.
And I'm Jeff Jacobs, Solutions Consultant at Tai Software. And here at Tai, we are committed to automating the tedious day-to-day activities that reduce productivity. And today, we are proud to present to you 3 powerful use cases for our email integration that will allow your teams to get out of their email inboxes into the TMS to drive your business forward.
We'll walk you through how we can automatically scrape and build email quotes and tenders from customers, how we can communicate effortlessly with carriers and customers from the TMS, and finally, how we can supercharge your back office and accounting functions by automatically scraping email documents, building them in our document processor, and giving your team the ability to expedite the invoicing and billing procedures. We'll start by connecting Tai to your email service provider and building out the rules that will govern how emails are assigned throughout your organization. Let's get started with an example here on our dashboard. You can see right here, I have a quote that I've received from one of my customers via email. I can click into it just like this. On the left-hand side, we'll see the actual email that was sent over from my customer. On the right here is the output from our email integration. You can see we have the origin, the destination. All of the detail from that email was scraped, extracted, and built in the TMS. I even have this automatically rated at the bottom. We could use a contracted rate or a market index like green screens or DAT. Finally, this was assigned over to me. So we'll make sure that nothing gets missed in your organization and we keep the process going.
This means that your team will never need to wonder what they need to do today when they log into Tai TMS, because the system will be directing them to important tasks within the task list. This will also eliminate the manual data entry and screen toggling required to process email quote requests and tenders.
Let's take our quote example a step further. I'm going to head up here to my Tools tab and open up my truckload quoting page. This page is going to give me everything that I need to accurately quote my customer, including all of my market intelligence tools and my carrier history right here at the bottom. Using all this information, I can make any edits to my pricing up here at the top. I can save those changes, and then I can quickly fire a quote response back to my customer using our integrated send message feature. I can even reply back to the original thread that the customer sent over. Lastly, I can come right up here to the top. I can open up my task list, my emails, and I can move on to the next one.
So as you can see, the email integration allows your team to rapidly respond to customer quote requests and email communication. The system is capturing all of this data for win-loss reporting down the road, and we're showing you a truckload example today, but keep in mind that this works great for LTL.
Let's take a look at a few more use cases of that outbound send message feature. Right here from truckload quoting, I could broadcast this out to all the carriers that have run this lane for me in the past, indicated that they want to or have quoted me previously. One click, everyone gets an email from our system here. I can head out now to my company load board, where I'm going to see all the shipments, all my truckload shipments in one place. Under the actions over here on the right-hand side, I have my send message tool integrated. I have pre-built templates for every single type of scenario that commonly occurs within our brokerage. I can grab one like this one right down here. It'll build out the details of the quote from the load, and I can fire that off to my carrier or my customer.
This drastically reduces the amount of time that your team needs to spend sending out email communications. The system has templates set up for quotes, for tracking, for setting appointments, and everything in between. Not only does this save time, but it also creates a uniform look and feel for your business with all of your customers and your carriers. Everyone is truly speaking the same language in Tai Software.
We can even use tools like our Help Me Write feature. A simple prompt for a unique situation or a one-off will allow us to leverage Gen AI just to write a quick email to a customer, keeping it nice and professional. Think about all of the routine operations via email that your team engages in every day, and imagine the ability to automate those as well. I can leverage tools like our workflow automation to build out automation scenarios in Tai, like this carrier document request automation that will automatically send a carrier an email requesting that they upload and send their documents when shipments are marked delivered. Speaking of documents, the last section that I want to introduce to you is our document processor. I can head down here and I can pull up all of the documents that have been scraped out of our accounting inbox, built into the TMS, and matched to shipments that exist in the platform. I have several bill examples over here that have been successfully matched. We will automatically extract data via OCR and attempt that match. In this example down here, you'll notice that this is actually a multi-page example. I have a rate confirmation, a POD, a bill, and a lumper receipt. For this example, let's extract just the bill from this PDF. I can come up here and split multi-page. I can select the bill that was pulled out, follow the 4-step process down here. We'll match it to this load. We'll open it up in a new tab. Follow the steps here, extracting my bill number so that my payables team can go ahead and process this guy, attach, and now it's on my load.
Consider your back office team will no longer need to manually attach documents to shipments. They can leverage freight audit capability to determine if the bill coming in is what they expected to pay, and the system will call out any variances. As you can see, TAI's direct email integration provides tremendous value across any email-related task,